If you want to turn off the passcode on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. Now on this screen, you will find an option called Turn Off Passcode. But if you have enabled Face ID on your iPhone, this option will be grayed out. So make sure you disable your Face ID if you want to turn off your passcode. After you disable your Face ID, then tap on Turn Off Passcode. Select Turn Off, then enter your current lock screen PIN. And once you do that, you will turn off the passcode on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off the passcode on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.